Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following symptoms must be present for the diagnosis of major depressive disorder. For the diagnosis of major depressive disorder, there should be two things. One, lack of interest and pleasure. Second criteria is depressed mood or sadness of mood. There should be lack of interest or pleasure or sadness of mood. These are actually the major criteria for depression. So sadness of mood and lack of interest and pleasure is the main two major criteria.
thank you and thank you for watching.